Home, sweet home. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home is absolutely darling. Sitting on 1.59 partially cleared acres, this home is ready for its new owners. The roof was replaced in 2016, and has a newer drainfield and well pump, newer gutters, newer A/C, newer fridge, newer washer and dryer, neutral paint colors, and more. The second bathroom was recently redone, showcasing a new bathtub and beautiful tile work, 2021. This sweet home boasts an abundance of natural light with plenty of windows. Fantastic location in Golden Gate Estates, just minutes to New Founders Square, Publix Shopping Center and many great schools.